Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a subscription box website. So for instance, if you want to create a monthly subscription website, this is the tutorial for you. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is none other than Wix. And the reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is because it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can also get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. All you'll need is your email address. Once you're signed up, you will tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, I want you to tap on Wix. Then you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, we are going to tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Setup Without AI, all you'll need to do now, right where you see the search bar, you can simply type in subscription, and you can see right there subscription box. Or if you would like to go more specific, so let's say for example you're creating a food subscription box, fitness subscription box, healthy subscription box, you can see the different niches right there. You can go more specific if you want, as you can see right there. But for this example, I'll select the general subscription box, then tap on next. After you have done that, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now on your dashboard, I'll show you how to set up your business name, opening hours, and also other services or features that you'll be offering on your website. So this is it. So you're going to type in your business name right here. Then tap on next in the bottom right hand corner, and you'll see, do you already have an online store? And I'm going to tap on no, I'm just getting started. Then tap on next. What type of products do you plan on selling? Is it physical products? You could select physical products. Do you plan on doing drop shipping? Or is it services that you'll be offering, for example, courses or classes? You can select that. Is it digital products? Do you plan on doing print on demand? You can select whichever one of these options suits you. So let's say for example physical products, I'll tap on that, then select next. Then from there you can select, would you like to get paid online? So I'll select online store right there, and I will, some people, if you want, you can select marketplaces and social media if you want, and I'll select next, then tap on continue to dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I'll be showing you how to set up the different payment methods that you can offer and also other features. So this is our dashboard right here. Now all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, scroll down, and you're going to select billing and payment, then select payments. After selecting payments, you will be redirected to this page, and you're going to tap on manage payment methods. From here, depending on where you're located, you'll see different payment methods. At the moment, you can see I can offer my customers TiloPay and PayPal. By simply tapping on connect, you'll be able to connect your PayPal account to your Wix website. If you were to change the location of your website by tapping on change, for example, typing in United States, and selecting it, you can see that I'm offered some new payment options. So for example, I can now offer Wix payment method. PayPal is still there, and by tapping on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner, I can also connect AAA, Afterpay, Affirm, and also Bankful and Klarna, as you can see right there. So if you want to offer more payment options, you can change the location of your website and select see more. After you have set up the different payment methods, I want you to go back over to the left hand menu option, scroll up and tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Once you have tapped on set up, you can simply scroll down and you are going to set up the shipping and delivery. So we are going to tap on set up shipping. After tapping on set up shipping, you'll be redirected to this page. And on this page, you'll be able to add the different regions or countries that you want to ship to. And you can also choose whether you like to offer free shipping. For example, you will see the country that you're located in, and you can see the delivery method right there. By tapping on edit, you'll be able to make changes. So for example, if you like to offer free shipping to other regions, you can tap on add destination. Then from there, you could type in the country. So let's say, for example, I would like to offer free shipping in United States. I could tap on that. Then you can also select other countries. Then you can scroll down. I'll leave it as free shipping. But if you'd like to change it to a flat rate by price or so on, you can do that. And you can scroll down. If I had selected flat rate, I could enter the rate right here. You can also enter the estimated delivery days. So let's say, for example, 14 to 21 days. So let's say 14 to 21 days right here. Then you can also scroll down. If you'd like to offer local delivery or pick up, you can tap on that. Then you'll select save. Once you have tapped on save, you can go back and you can set up other regions by tapping on add region. You can add other countries. Now once you're finished, you'll go back over to the left hand menu option, scroll up, tap on set up right here. So let's tap on setup real quick. Then from here, we're going to tap on design site. And by selecting design site, you will now be able to choose how you want your website to appear. So we're going to tap on pick a template. Then you can see Wix provides us with numerous stunning templates that we can choose from. And this is one of the major pluses when it comes on to Wix, as with these templates, even if you're a complete beginner, you will be able to create a professional looking website and also a website that operates smoothly. So let's say, for example, I like to use this template. All I'll need to do is tap on edit, then give it a few seconds while the AI composes our website. Once on this page, you can tap on the box right here and you could enter some information that you would like to be added to your website, depending on the type of website that you're creating. Then you could tap on generate site text, and the Wix AI will compose articles or content that will be added to your website. After you have done that, you can tap on the 50% in the top right hand corner. And at the moment, this is how our website looks. So you can see it right here. All you'll need to do is scroll down and you can now start editing your website. So for example, if you would like to change something in the header section, you could hover over it with your cursor, then tap on quick edit. From there, you could change the paragraph name right here if you want, and you can also tap on manage menu to edit the menu option. If it is a case that you'd like to edit this section, so let's say, for example, you want to change the image, you can do that by simply tapping on change right here. You could tap on change, then from there you could select image. After you have selected image, you can upload an image by selecting upload media. Or let's say, for example, this is a subscription box for socks. So I could simply type in socks right here. Then I will be provided with some copyright free images that I can use, as you can see here. So let's say, for example's sake, I would like to use this one. Then tap on change background. After you have tapped on change background, you can see that it has been changed right there. And I'd also like to change the text. So let's say I would change it to monthly socks subscription. So I'll do that right here. So you can see it right there. And then you'll go back, tap on the X in the top right hand corner, and you can continue editing your website by scrolling down. and also to add something to your website that you don't see, for example, an extra text box or video or anything at all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus that says add elements. Then from there you can choose to drag an image, or you can add a button or video, anything at all that you want, by simply selecting the option right here. Now if you would like to change or delete any page, all you'll need to do is tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then you'll be able to see all of the pages that are currently on your website. So for example, if I were to tap on shop, at the moment this is the shop website, as you can see right here. Now to edit the products, you could hover over the page, tap on manage products. Once you have done that, you're going to see a pop-up window appear, and from this pop-up window we'll be able to delete the sample products that have been added, and you will be able to add your own products. So you can see right here whether you're planning to sell physical or digital products. So we'll simply tap on the X right there. Then you could tap to select all products, and you could simply select more actions, and then you could select delete, and you would be able to delete all sample products. Then you can tap on new product, then select whether it is a physical or digital product. So for example, if it was a physical product, you would tap on that. And from here, you'll be able to add the product information. So once on this page, you can add images or videos related to the product. Scroll down, add the product name, description, and you can also add a price by tapping on price right there. You can add the price for the product. And if you would like to add other information, you can tap on custom text field, and you can do that also. So you can add custom text field right there if you would like your customers to be able to make special requests. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save to save the changes. And after doing all of that, you'll simply tap on the X right here to close out, and you can continue editing your website. And that's it. Once finished, you'll select save in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select publish for your website to go live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.